Is there any doubt, students? Reflex, is there any doubt? Students, reflex, is there any doubt? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Next. Symmetric. Symmetric. Symmetric, students, as
A
A
comma A
comma
belongs
B.
to R.
As
A
A
comma
comma B
Belongs
means
to
A
R.
is less than or equal to B, but
B is
B is
B is
not less
less than
than
or
or
equal
equal
not
to
to
less
A.
than.
If you take example, B is not less than or equal to A. For all A comma B belongs to R. B is not less than or equal to A. So therefore R is not
Symmetric.
symmetric. Example also I am taking, students. Or let take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. Let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. First A is less than B, right? Less than or equal to B means you can write 2 is less than or equal to 4. But B is not less than or equal to A means you can write 4 is not less than or equal to 2. Is it clear, all of you students? So that
Yes,
is
ma'am.
2 comma 4 belongs to R. That implies 4 comma 2 does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not symmetric. Is it clear, all of you students? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next one is transitive. Next one is transitive. As A is A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R. So that nothing but what A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to B, B is less than or equal to C. So we can write A equal to B and B equal to C means directly you can write A is less than or equal to C. Students, please respond. So therefore you
ma'am.
can write it as A comma C belongs to R. Please respond, students, all of you. R is a transitive. R is transitive. Tell me example, students. Tell me example. So tell me example, students. Please respond, all of you. For example, now I am taking 1 comma 2. 1 is less 1, 2, 3. I'm taking. For example, check it once. 1, 2, 3. So A is equal to 1. So values are possible or not, we need to check it. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. So what is the condition we have? A is less than or equal to B. A is less than or equal to B. 1 is less than or equal to 2. Is it correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, B is less than or equal to C. B is less than or equal to C means 2 is less than or equal to 3. Is it
3.
correct or not?
Sure. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. That implies A is less than or equal to C. A is less than or equal to means 1 is less than or equal to 3. Any doubts, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Therefore, you can write here as 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 3 belongs to R. That implies 1 comma 3 also belongs to R. Is it clear, all of you students?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 is less than or yeah, tell ma.
Ma'am, always while solving this sort of questions where they don't give
Uh,
any value, we can take our own example and do it, right?
yeah, yes. According to that, we have to take it. Okay, na? Any doubt, students? Please
No,
respond.
ma'am.
Yeah, next. 2 is less than or equal to 3 belongs to R. That implies 1 is less than or equal to 3. is also belongs to R. So therefore, R is transitive. So given condition, no, your condition is given, no, A is less than or equal to B. So like that, which one is suitable? The type of values you have to select. Understood what I'm telling here? A is less than or equal to B. For example, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 1 means it is not satisfy that equation, right? We have to take like that one. Any doubt? Please respond. Students respond. Hello?
Ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is clear, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Clear,
Yeah,
ma'am.
write down. Okay,
1
already
minute, can you
time up
scroll
done. So
down, ma'am?
last 5 minutes. Yeah, note down, note down,
Scroll
A
note down.
question, a
And
question.
2 questions are there in this relation. Yeah, this one. In this, 2 questions are there. A is excuse me. A is less than excuse me. A is less than or equal to B cube and A is less than or equal to B square. 2 condition questions are there. So next commutative period is there, no? In that also today unit test preparation only. In this next that is commutative period also will complete the full relations, the binary operations also there. What and all incomplete is there in the function also today will complete. Evening matrices also will do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Easily you can get score, students. This is only 3 chapters. If you prepare perfectly in matrices, only if you prepare matrices also easily will get you 25 only. Okay, more than 25. Okay. So matrices, all of you prepare perfectly. That and all easy chapter only. Okay, and after that to do relations and functions. After that to do trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. First, one thing, students, first complete all 5 marks questions. Completed, students, all of you. We completed means you can leave the class. Okay, I will share these notes today, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ra, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Ra. Thank you. Completed, students.
Completed.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Okay.